mga katropa, ayos ba tayo dyan? Ako, ayos lang ako dito sa San Diego. Kamusta na kayo? Today, we are going to build, me and my son, Perrin, we're gonna build a computer. Say hi. Hello.
Hi, how are you doing?
Are you ready?
Yes.
We're gonna build a computer now?
Yes.
Alright, we're gonna start with the new motherboard, okay? Alright. Okay, so what we have here is called the MSI Tomahawk B350. Okay, it's an older version. This is the same one that your brother is running in his computer. Okay, so where are we? So this is like where you have your microphones and your headphones and your speakers, you know. This here is probably where you have your keyboard and mouse, right? Then USBs. Then these are PCIe right here, right? And PCIs. Your CPU, memory, right here. So today we're just gonna deal with two things: the Ryzen AMD processor and the memory cards. Okay, let's start with this one. Come on, you stand. Stay here. So, you take this one.
Okay.
Okay, so open this. Here's the CPU. And here is the, what do you call this?
Fan.
The fan.
Motherboard fan.
Now this is for the cooling fan.
Oh.
Yeah. Right there. Don't touch that. It's sticky thing, right? It's a sticky thing. And what you do is you put this on top of that, right? Like that. You gotta set it up. Okay, so now let's open this. See here on the Ryzen, see that part that has an arrow on it? Okay, it must correspond to the arrow here. There's an arrow. Do you see it? There's an arrow on the corner. Is it that one? Yeah, I think it's that one. So you lift this one, right? And you see there, that's the mark, right? So you put it in like this. Align it, put it in like that, right? And then you lock it. See? So you want to do it? So look at the thing first, right? Yeah. See it?
So there's a small dot over here.
Yeah, that's the one, and it should correspond to here.
Go to that mark.
Yeah. You drop it in. Okay, is it in? See, it's in.
Okay.
See, so shake it. If it's loose, it's not, right? It's not moving. Okay, so now you can lock it. Yeah, is it locked? Okay, so that's how you, pretty much how you set up the CPU, right? That's the CPU. Now, we're gonna put this on. Okay, so on this one, it looks like we're gonna have to remove these screws, right? So you wanna do it?
Sure.
Remove the screws.
So which way?
Counterclockwise. When you're, yeah.
So not clockwise?
Yeah, counterclockwise. Yeah. Okay, put them over here. Okay, I think it's magnetic. Let me see. Yeah, it's magnetic, so don't worry about it. So just take them off. You don't have to push it so hard, okay? Just turn it counterclockwise. Make sure it's in. Yeah. Yeah. Oops, pick it off. Okay. But if it's like this, what do you think is better, like this
Well, maybe.
or like this? Because if it's like this, see how it's like arcing like that?
Yeah.
If it's like this, it's more like, down. Know what I mean?
Yeah, but if the text is like that way, then it should be the other way.
This one. Yeah. All right. See it?
Nope. Turn it more to the.
See that?
Yeah.
There?
Yep. All of it's in.
Okay. So let's try one. About 5 turns, right? 5 turns each. 4, 5. You try it.
So just.
Yeah. See it? Nice. Okay, so now we put this on.
Okay.
Is it recording?
Yeah.
Okay. So now we put this on. This is a DDR4 type. Okay, so this one, they always come in pairs. And then when you install them, you always put them in pairs. Okay, so like on this one, okay, we're gonna move the thing here so you can see what I'm talking about. See there?
Yes.
You see it?
It says demo 1.
Yeah, dim one. What does it say there? And then it says there first, right? And it's what this? Okay, let's close this and this and this and this because according to that, these are the first 2 slots we're gonna put the thing on,
Okay.
right? Okay, so now we're gonna open this. Now, this one is where you need to be very careful. Okay, where you put your hands. Okay, don't touch those copper connectors, right?
Will you touch the silver?
Yeah, not silver or well, this one is like cooling,
Okay.
like a cooling thing.
Okay.
Okay, so
So don't touch the copper.
yeah, but you can hold it here. Okay, so you see this slot, right? It should should connect to be the same as that slot there. And if you notice, there's like a space right? And then the copper connectors, right?
Yeah.
And if you look in there, it's the same thing, the space, right? And then the connectors, right? So you put him like that. Okay, so put him in like that. Yeah. No, no, no. Not like that, like this. Okay, and at the same time, right? And then you push it in. There, like that. See? Oh, now push it in. Push it in. Yeah, push, push. Yeah, push until it locks right there. See? Well, yeah. There, like that. Okay, you do the other one. It should look like that, but on the
How would you take this thing out?
the just take them out. Yeah,
Okay, so
yeah.
push
So,
up.
so you have to make sure that it's in. See, it's not in, po. Yeah. Oh, push it in.
Okay, push it into the box.
Yeah. Come on, you're not pushing it in.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. And that's it. This one is ready. We just need to disassemble the computer. But for now, let's go ahead and put this away. Okay. Okay, now let's disassemble this old computer. You over on that side.
Okay.
Okay, so first things first, we're gonna uncover the thing. Just take this off. Okay. So first things first, we'll have to take off all the power supply cables. Okay. Like all these. See? Okay, so let's take it off. Oh yeah, this one is the important one. This one here, that's the power cord for the entire motherboard, right? This one here. So here, yeah. So that's the one. This is a big 1,600 watt power supply. So that's why. Okay, so let's take some of these off. Right. So it took a few minutes to detach all the connectors from the motherboard. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut the clip right here. Okay, it's ready to be taken off. Here we go. We're gonna take it off now. Okay, so this video has taken longer, way longer than I thought. So I'm gonna go ahead and let's go jump to the end of the video, okay? Okay, turn on natin. Tingnan natin kung ano mangyayari. Okay. Oh no! Shoot. Yung easy debug LED nagla-light on. Ano kaya yun? Mukhang yung CPU may diferensya. Hindi niya nare-recognize yung CPU kaya tumatakbo lang siya. Patay. Tingnan ko kung mapapalitan ko ng CPU. So, there you go. Major fail. Dalawa lang ang maring problema kung bakit hindi tumakbo ng tama yung computer. Siguro baka may diferensya yung CPU or may diferensya yung motherboard. So, I'm gonna put this project to the side for now. And kasi meron akong gustong gawin eh. Total, tumatakbo pa naman ng maayos yung ano ko, yung desktop ko. Ayan, oh, ginagamit ko nga eh. See? Tumatakbo naman siya ng maayos. Ang problema lang yung pagka magbo-boot siya, ang tagal. Siguro maabot ng mga 2-3 minutes bago mag-boot sa Windows. Tapos pagka magsisave ka ng mga videos o kaya mga audio, yung mga ginagawa kong mga ano, ang tagal. Ang tagal mag-save. Bago ma-empty yung 128 megabyte na mini disk na gano'n, na maliit. Ang tagal. Umaabot ng siguro 15 minutes. So, kasi ano yun, dahil doon sa yung HDD, yung hard drive, mechanical hard drive pa kasi yung ginagamit itong computer na to. Kaya, ang gusto ko sanang gawin, mag-upgrade ako, gagamit na ako ng yung SSD, yung solid state drive, para bumilis ang kanyang boot, saka bumilis din yung kanyang yung download. Ang problema lang, ito kasing dati kong computer, itong computer na to, wala siyang yung slot para sa M.2. So, ang gagawin ko, gagamit pa ako ng PCIe, tapos kakabit ko pa yung SSD, tapos maraming gagawin. So, gagawin ko, sana, gagamit ako ng bagong motherboard with, yung upgraded na siya, more advanced. Tapos, i-clone ko na lang yung hard drive para tumakbo siya as is. Diba? So, that's it, folks. Sorry. Pero meron akong gusto kasing gawin na iba pang project na sa tingin ko mas maganda to. Gagawin naming dalawa ng anak ko. Kasi ito hindi naman importante, hindi priority ang gumawa ng bagong computer. Tumatakbo naman eh. Pero ito ang gagawin ko. Gagawa ko ng drone. Alright. So, folks, kung nagustuhan ninyo itong video, fail video, like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you later.